Hey guys, it's Clint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your site up and running quickly in a matter of a few steps with the WordPress Starter. So if you are logged into your dashboard, you're going to see this main card right here that said WordPress Starter available. Go ahead and click Start Now. And you're going to see this initial landing page, this WordPress Starter site. You're going to see step 0 of 3. You may even immediately see this landing page when you go to your WordPress dashboard for the first time. Go ahead and click Start Now. The first step is going to be selecting your theme. So you're going to have all of these category options here that you can use to look at different types of sites. So go ahead and take a few minutes to look at the different options. If you're a health and fitness niche, there are a few options geared toward that. If you are a travel blogger, there's some options there. Or if you even want maybe more of a business corporate type feel, they have options for that as well, or even have a blog category. You can hover over each of these, and if you see the plus sign icon, go ahead and click on that, and it'll give you a live preview of what this theme will look like, and give you a little idea to the reader's customer experience, if you will. From here, you can either click the select button or click back to continue viewing more. Most of these, if not all, are going to be free themes. If you don't worry, if you don't like these options, you can always select a different theme later, as well as premium themes as well. But for now, for the purpose of this exercise, I'm going to go ahead and click one, and I'm going to do this personal blog. And what you're going to see next on most of these, use some sort of page builder like Elementor or WooCommerce based off the type of sample data that's used. Certain plugins will be enabled. So for instance, for this theme in particular, Elementor is used, and it's actually a plugin that I recommend. I use it for building my pages. It's a great free plugin that you can use to help build your pages. So go ahead and keep that selected and click confirm. And then next, step 2, going to be some recommended plugins to add some additional functionality to your site. And so the two that come recommended and pre-selected are Contact Form, which is a free plugin by WP Forms, which I definitely recommend. Gives your readers a way to contact you. You'll be able to put a contact form out there so they can email you or contact you with questions, whatnot. So keep that selected. And then next is Jetpack, which is like a all-inclusive plugin. It has everything from stats to, you can see here, automate social media, to even some security features. So this plugin was created by Automatic, and you see the 2 T's there. That's actually Matt Mullenweg's company, who is the founder of WordPress. And so be sure to keep that. It's a great all-inclusive plugin that is packed with tons and tons of features. As you can see, you could also add WooCommerce. If you're planning to sell products from your site, that's definitely going to be a plugin that you're going to want. I'm going to leave it deselected at this time, and I'm not going to worry about the calendar, but I'm going to keep these two and click continue. And next, it's going to ask you about a few marketing type plugins. So for instance, Google Analytics. This is something that you are going to want. So what this is going to do by selecting this is it's going to install a free plugin by Monster Insights for you to allow you to see your Google Analytics data within your main WordPress dashboard. Now, I need to preface this by saying that you still need to create a Google Analytics account and install the API key within your dashboard, and I will show you how to do that a little later in this series. But for now, this will at least give you the plugin so you have that ready to go. You definitely, again, want this. You want to know some insights about your readers, what pages they're visiting, what sources they're coming from, who is reading, all the demographic type details. It's all information you're going to want to use. It may not be that helpful, within the first few months, but at the 6-month mark, maybe earlier, but 6-month mark and out, you're really going to want to be able to have that data to dig into to start segmenting your content, maybe your emails, things like that. So definitely going to want that. The next one I'm going to select is Yoast SEO plugin. Again, that's a free plugin. They also have a premium version, but you can install the free plugin, and that's going to ensure that you have some essential on-page SEO elements for each post ready to go. So it's not the end-all be-all SEO plugin, but it's going to ensure that you have some really important things done to help ensure that your post can rank. It doesn't mean that it will rank, on page 1 or anything like that, but it'll just ensure that you've got some basics covered. Great plugin. I use it. Definitely recommend it. And then the next one is a lead generation tool or a lead magnet tool, and this is a 30-day free plugin by Opt-in Monster. So it's only free for a month. After that, it's $9 a month if you pay annually. So I think that's about $108 a year. I'm not going to select this one right now. There are other free options available, which I'll explain to you, and I'll show you a little later in this series when we get into plugins. Opt-in Monster is a great plugin and is a great tool. So if you want to pay for that, definitely select that here and you'll get 30 days free. But if you want to start out with some free options first, just hold tight and I'll show you those a little later in this series. So for now, let's go ahead and click complete, and you're gonna see our little wheels spinning here, and in a matter of a minute or two, you're gonna have a functioning site with your theme and these plugins that we selected from this WordPress starter. Now you're still gonna want some additional plugins as well. Again, this doesn't include everything, but it is what it is. It's a WordPress starter. Get your site up and running in a matter of a few steps. So here it is. Congrats, your site is ready. So you can click on the dashboard, go view your site. Let's just do that real quick to give you an idea of how it looks different from before. So there's our theme. There's our new site with our theme. You can go back to your dashboard from here and start really digging into it. So keep reading. To the next video, I'm going to show you how to install a theme without using the WordPress starter, and then give you an overview of the dashboard. So see you in the next video.